Yes, children, welcome again. And see, before we begin with our practical of the stomata, so I will first of all tell you what all the apparatuses are used. Okay, what apparatuses are used for this practical. And here again I am in the lab only, and here I'll show you the apparatuses used and then how to perform the practical. So you can see this some of the things are placed here. I will tell you the name of these things one by one. Okay, this is the test tube stand. Okay, some of the practicals will need the test tube to be placed here. So straight also you can put the test tube, or inverted also after washing it. Okay, inverted in this. This is for the boiling tube, and these are for the small tubes. Then here is the test tube holder, and this can be used in this manner by sliding this. Okay, this will hold the test tube. And here we have the staining rack. This wooden rack is called as the staining rack. This is the dropping bottle, and these will contain the stains in it. These are the dropping bottles, and different stains are there. This is red in color, that means safranin is there. This is blue in color, that is methylene blue is there. And this is the watch glass. Please do see this video again and again so that you remember the name of each and everything. You should not get confused. In your viva also these may be asked. So this is the watch glass. This is the dropping bottle. This is wooden stand, which is called as the staining rack. Here in this we have the cover slips. Small glass slides are there, small. See, which we cover while we do the practical. These are the cover slips in this. Okay, these are very thin to be handled very carefully. Hope you can see this. I'll put it on a background. See. Okay, and then these are the dropper, small dropper, and we also have big dropper. Then we have needle. In some of the practicals we need the needle also there. This is called as the needle. And then here is the brush. See, this is the big dropper. Okay, this is the big dropper. Here is the brush. This you will always use to take out the sections from this watch glass. In the watch glass with the water, the section will be there, so you cannot put your fingers there. So you have to take this with the help of a brush. And then these are called as the forceps. For taking out the peel of the onion peel, or if I am taking out the stomata from the leaf, or anything small if we have to pick up, then we use this. See this. Okay, with these slides, these cover slips also we can hold with this, as you can see. Here I am holding, so we can place it nicely. This is these all things are here in our staining rack. Okay, and yes, glycerine is also there in the bottle. This dropping bottle only, glycerine is also there. For your practicals, all these things you require for making of the slides. Hope this apparatuses for making up of the slides you are known well. You repeat this video again so that you remember all the names. Hope now it is clear, and you will remember the names also for your viva. And as such also, when you are using the things then also you should know by what name it is called. Okay, thank you. So welcome children again to this class. You will be thinking why so many things are there for the lab, but yes, we have to. And today I will begin with your practicals. Hope from this you will come to have an idea which practical we are going to do. Yes, stomata. We are going to do the practical of stomata, and here is the leaf. Hope you can see it nicely. Here is the leaf. I will tell you the procedure. And this leaf we are taking, any thick leaf if we take, so it will be easier for us to peel out. Okay, and this is the way of peeling out. This leaf is there and tangentially I will just peel it off, tangentially like this. Okay, and here hope very near to this you can see, yeah, it is there. Transparent आपको दिख रहा है something, transparent sheet like, है ना? And here see at the end, at this place, see these all transparent thing is there, no? That means ki leaf I have taken out tangentially, I have peeled off the leaf. Now this peeled off leaf, I will put some water in the watch glass. All these names I have told you earlier. So I will put some water in the watch glass, and then with the help of the forceps, this is the forceps, I will take out this peel. Okay, जो transparent part was there, thin sheet like structure, that I will take small part and I will put it in the water. Okay, so here I have placed 2-3 always we take, because while staining, if we miss some of them, so we should have them. So 3-4 sections or these materials we should have with us. Okay, so here that transparent part wala, see, yeah, now it is taking nicely. All this I have had here and I have put it in the water. Now what we will do, I will put some, we have to stain this, है ना? We have to stain. And see, the main thing is that the lower part we are going to take. The stomata, the number of stomata is more on the lower part. In the theory we have discussed. Okay, see, if it is a leaf, this is the dorsal part and this is the ventral part where the veins are more nicely visible, no? And here this is the dorsal part. And so from the lower side the number of stomatas are more in this dorsiventral leaf. It is called as the dorsiventral leaf because the dorsal and ventral side of the leaf are different, and it is a dicot leaf. As you can see, veins, reticulate venation is there, so it is a dicot leaf, and the number of stomata in such type of leaf is more on the lower side. So preferably I have taken this for my experiment. Okay, and we prefer to take some thick leaf so that nicely the sheet like structure can come out of it. Then I will use the stain and this stain I am putting it in the dropping bottle which will be there for staining in your staining rack. Then this section I will pour some of the, see, I'll bring it closer to you. I will put this saffronin stain in the watch glass so that this material gets stained. The material of the leaf which we have taken should get stained. We will leave it for 2-3 minutes, only for 2-3 minutes, and then I will take out this with the help of the brush only, not with the finger, not with the needle, and here in another watch glass, and then we have to wash this. So I am again taking the water and I am washing this nicely in the watch glass. Here you can see, children, now see, I'll show you. The transparent part has attained the pink color. The leaf is green already, see, and the transparent part is looking pink in color. See, the transparent part is pink in color. Okay, Now I will place this section with the help of the brush only on a slide. Here is the glass slide. On this I have put this material, and this should not get dried. Okay, so I will put a drop of glycerine on this so that it remains moistened. The material will not dry. Yes, a drop of glycerine I have taken, and now we have to cover this with the cover slip. This is the cover slip, square or circular it comes. We will hold the cover slip with the forceps and then with the needle. Okay, I will place this slowly and slowly in this way along with the needle. See, hope you can see. Here it is. With the help of the needle and forceps, slowly I have placed it here, and we will do tapping in case any kind of bubble is there, so that should not be inside the material, otherwise we will see the bubbles in the our material, okay, in the slide. So this slide is made now of the stomata. Now I am going to put it under the microscope. So now, children, here is this. I have placed the slide here under the microscope, and then I will fix this clip here, adjust the light from here so that the best light is there already, it should be adjusted, and then from here, from this eyepiece, I will try to see the stomata under the leaf.